Each mountain peak is a symbol of
Shoot naman
immortality,
na ito.
a part of
Tapos
the
ako wala.
human vision,
So, ano tayo
where
dito?
time seems to stand still. In that space, I feel like a small part of nature, drawn into the invisible
Just give me my
attraction of the
money.
landscape.
Dali na! Just give me my money! Ikaw na!
No money!
And when I came to
Money!
Sino walang money?
Money!
conquer
Money!
Ilo.
7,500 feet above
Oh
sea
my God, money!
between the mountain
Nakaka-proud naman ang baby na yan.
and sky merged together.
Nakaka-proud naman ang baby mine. Dandy mine? Where? What color is this?
Depth and
Dandy
eternity.
mine!
Ano dandy mine?
Clouds seem not just
No
mist,
money. Game. Just give me my money. Yay!
No!
that lifted.
Money too!
This was not peace.
Money!
As I continued my journey through the
Bayan ko yan. Hindi mo prank mami siya. Dali, ay ko siya malami.
the natural beauty,
Game na. Ay, kunyari, inano mo.
a magical music reverberating in every breath,
Don't baby!
every wave
Don't
of the
baby!
stream,
Hey!
and in the rustling
Same.
leaves under my feet.
Sige, magkano sis?
Every place felt was like a song I
What?
had never heard before.
No.
Same daw, same.
This one is same. We're wearing jeans.
Hey, Dada! Hey, Dada!
Pain danda. Hindi ko na-gets pero okay.
Money, Dada!
Money danda.
Wow,
Descending with its deep valleys,
No money!
Libo
No money.
consisted of waterfalls
Does your mommy have money?
and Basong Pool.
Ask your
The
mommy.
deep lake reflects the transformation
Say, where did you go last night?
are all like unspoken
Where
melodies
did you go last night?
in my soul.
Where did you go last night?
Move!
Where did you go last night?
This place was a pristine and sacred world,
Oh, Daddy!
absolute
Daddy!
Two, daddy.
Two, Daddy!
Three. That's three. This is two.
There seems to be no competition. Only the
One.
purest and most
Count.
authentic things on earth
Bakit
remain.
ito wala?
It feels like entering a timeless space.
That's
Everything slows down. The breath of nature, along with your own breath, becomes part of the eternal.
Paulen, sinabi na Paulen.
Every sound, every image here is a gentle musical note, bringing a deep stillness, making me unable to
Tira.
listen, enjoy. That feeling is like a reminder that nature is not only what we see, but
Spider.
also what we feel in our
Dati ka bang
souls.
panaka? Basta frog.
Continuing the journey, I came to the Long Mountains, which is not only a beautiful natural landscape, but also a symbol of Chinese martial arts traditions, especially
Naging
sword
kangaroo na.
an indispensable part of the folk
Jump?
culture.
Ang jump ba?
Baby!
Dog.
Dog baby!
Baby.
Dog
Majestic
baby!
Dog
mountains,
baby.
Ah, dog daw, dog.
shrouded in invisible walls,
Baby.
protect
Dog daw siya.
Ayun, hindi pala kangaroo.
martial arts tradition.
Baby!
Here, the
Baby!
image of Sun Wukong,
Good
one of the
baby!
legendary figures in Chinese culture, is not only a symbol, but also a symbol of strength and perseverance. I can clearly feel the deep connection
What does the dog make?
the scenic spot, a place to preserve cultural values and martial arts spirit,
Oh my God.
values that have transcended many
Baby,
generations.
ano tayo?
keeping the flame of tradition.
Good baby.
Baby?
As I walked into the ancient temples and the strong walls, I not only admired the natural
What
beauty,
sound does the cat make?
but the invisible power of the ancient
No, listen to
martial arts
cat.
disciples
What does
who
it
had trained here,
Meow.
fought, and preserved this culture. It made me realize that in every passing wind, there are stories, living history, that only those who seek can understand.
Dog. Pinayahan niyo to for sure.
I continued my journey to Kashan Mountain, which is not only famous for its majestic natural beauty, but also for its dangerous trails, where every step is real.
Wait lang.
Mama Paul.
Mama phone?
Made me feel clearly
Stop,
for children,
Paul.
Stop.
as well as the strength and resilience. The history of Mount Everest is more than 2,000 years, and it is in the silence and sacredness.
Jogging yan, jogging.
As if I was walking in the footsteps of ancient priests who had crossed these paths, not only for
What
religious
number is this?
but also
What number is this?
and wisdom.
Very
Can I
good,
see?
Chef.
Can I
Very
see?
good.
Pink? Where's the pink? What number is that? Very good. What number is this?
Mount Hashan is not only a place
Wow! What number is this? This one. What number is this? What number is this?
Dinaig pa ako ng bala.
Oh!
Dito.
What number is this?
Paul.
What color is this? What color is this? Take your time. What color is this?
Mabuti.
This one. What color is this? What color is this?
What color or numbers? Ano ba?
We're keep repeating it.
Pink.
Pink? What?
Same daw, same.
Same. What color is this?
Pink too.
Numbers kasi yan.
Pink. Pink. Pink.
Same. Okay, same. Okay, same. What number is this? Let's, ano na. Let's
Alam niya
get
yan.
everything na.
Alam niya yan.
What number is this?
Maning dada. Maning dada.
Get, alam niya yan.
What number is this?
Danda mani. Ito ba? Danda mani. Danda mani. Danda mani.
Ah, sige,
I have
mamaya
no
na.
money. I have no
I-give mo
money.
muna.
Can you, akala na may cookie? Yung cookie, dalawa yung sa kanya, tapos tingnan natin kung bibigyan niya tayo.
Money.
Wow. Rich. You're so rich.
Money.
Ayan na.
What numbers?
Maning dada. Maning dada.
You have a lot of money.
Money.
Thank you so much.
Okay, money. How?
Thank you. Pambili ko na to ng Jollibee kulay blue eh. 500 to, 500.
Baby. Baby. What?
Oh, very good.
Baby.
Uy!
Baby.
Ulit! 2K na! Magkano sa'yo?
No.
Dami!
Two.
Nakabuo ako.
Bago.
50, di ba? 100.
Uy, ano na?
Wow! Rich!
2,000 na. 2,000 na. Bago. Diga.
2,300.
Harap na kayo dito. Say, thanks for watching.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! Bye-bye! Thanks for watching!
No. Hey.
Okay? Very good.